Welcome back, everybody. This is Lesson 5, creating tables of contents, indexes, and other tables. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our template. We're going to come over to this page, and we are going to double-click into the header, different first page option, and we're going to paste. And now we have our header from our last assignment. You can either close the header and footer up here, or you could double click inside the body. And like I said, sometimes it gets wonky. It doesn't want you to double click inside the body, right? And in those cases, you know, you just close the header and footer. So there we have it. First thing he wants us to do is mark the headings and subheadings with appropriate styles for creating a table of contents. So we went over this a little bit on our last lesson. So we're going to go ahead and select our first heading, and there's your heading 1, and there's your heading 2, and there's your heading 3, right? All that can be found in the home, styles, and in your different styles here, heading. Okay. Once that's completed, you could actually just go ahead and delete that. Delete the term heading, and delete the term heading. Okay. We can give this its title. Let's see here, give it the title, and we'll go ahead and delete that as well. And this is a title, so we should probably center it. All right, I'm going to hit enter here. So, marking terms, printer, installation for the index. Okay, so at the bottom of this page right here, we're going to go ahead and insert. We're going to go to references, and we're going to insert the index, and this is our index print preview, indented 2 columns. Okay, so we have printer 1. Right there is the index. So what we're going to do now is we're going to enter another entry, and we're going to type in installation. And we're going to go ahead and hit this, bold it, and mark it. We're going to close it. So what we're seeing here is this paragraph code, paragraph visuals, and then you can turn that off right here. So there we go. Now, just to show you how to update that, we're going to hit the update index. And now we have installation 2 and then printer 1. And that's how we make an index, right? So we can navigate over to installation. Why is this installation spelled wrong? Is installation spelled wrong? Maybe not. Okay, so there we have it. Installation 2, installation 1. So we've got our index for printer and installation. And then we want to insert images with captions and generate a table of figures. So I am going to go ahead and insert images with captions here. So I'm going to just give myself some space by pressing enter real quick. I can always delete that space later. And again, I'm going to go to insert pictures. I'm going to go online for this. And I'm going to type in printer. And we'll go with this one. We're going to go ahead and insert. And remember this copyright stuff right here, we could take that off. This is for educational purposes. And I'm going to just make this slightly smaller. We'll go to 3 inches. And we have 3 inches there. And if we go to the references tab, we can add the captions here. So insert caption. Let's see here. Add new source. For the title, I'm just going to go ahead and place printer. We can put today's year, or yeah, the year of today. City, and then we're going to go ahead and click OK. So now we have our little caption on the printer right there. So now we have our picture with our caption. I'm going to go ahead and delete that. I want the printer, do you see how I did that? I want the printer on the left side of the caption, so I'm just going to grab it and drag it to the other side. And now I have a caption with my printer. An installation 2 and installation 1. Okay. So now we have marked the headings for the table of concert, or table of contents. We have inserted our printer and installation index there. Automatically update the table of contents. So now that we do that, let's put the table of contents right here. So now we're going to enter our table of contents. We got this selected right here. So we're going to go to references and we're going to go table of contents and we're going to go ahead and hit that right there. And then we're going to update the entire table. We have introduction, installation, tips, and troubleshooting. Notice how the title isn't on there, right? Because it's not a heading. So the title doesn't come up right here as product installation guide. I'm going to go ahead and delete those extra little spaces. I'm going to Control Z. I deleted one too many. And there you have it. We have an updated table of contents. We have an updated index. We've got a printer with a caption. And that's all you need. Go ahead and just save this. Go ahead and save it. Go ahead and save this and upload the document file. I need the document file, okay, with all these steps completed.